Target Games, Tumbang Preso. Laro ng lahi, literally game of the nation. It is a term used to refer to the traditional Filipino games that have been played for centuries by the ancestors of the Filipino people. So these games have been passed down from generation to generation. These games are typically played outdoors and involve physical activity, strategy, and luck. So example of these traditional Filipino games include patintero, tumbang preso, sungka, luksong lubid, and piko. But now, we're focused only on tumbang preso. Tumbang preso is also known as tumbalata or batolata. The objective of this game is for players to hit and knock down the can with the sleeper and for the taya to put back the can inside a small circle a few meters away from the tow line. If a player is tagged while recovering their sleepers, they become the what we call taya. How to play the tumbang preso. First, the taya must guard the can with a stone or slipper and prevent the other players from retrieving it. Second, if the can is knocked down, the taya must place the can back in the circle and tag one of the players who then becomes the new taya. And lastly, if the slipper is knocked down, the taya must place it back under the can and become the new guard. We have a quote here says that traditional games are a way to connect with our past and remind us of a simpler time. They bring us closer to our family, friends, and culture, and a great way to have fun. Thank you everyone for listening.